Now guys, we are again with the new video of coordination compound of isomerism. In this we are going with the geometrical and optical isomerism in octahedral compounds. Now in octahedral compounds, metal atom is having a 6 ligands. First of all, you have to understand metal atom is having a 6 ligand. I will drop the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they are on the same plane. One is the above the square and 6 is the below the square, so it is called as octahedral. Or we can say, in the, if you remember, in the uh, chemical bonding, we can say this compound is like, we can say, square by pyramidal. Okay, now understand, if you are able to see that the 90-degree angles are 1 2, this is on 90, 1 3, this is upward, they are in the same plane, and one is the above, so one is 90 with 2. Okay, so we can say directly one thing, this is the central atom ligand. Okay, so one is 90 with 2 also, one is 90 with 3 also, one is 90 with 4 also, one is 90 with 5 also. Similar as 6 is 90 with 2 also, 90 is 3 also, 90 is 4 also, 90 is 5 also. Now this 3 is 90 with 2 also, this 3 is 90 with 4 also. Now this 5 is 90 with 2 also, this 5 is 90 with 4 also. So now you are able to see that they are the 90-degree angle. Okay, so they are called as cis. Now 180, this we can say, in this 180 are 1 6, 2 4, 5 3. Opposite are 180-degree angle. Okay, so now in this we are going, there are three types of cases. Okay, when all the ligands with the metal atom is monodentate. Okay, monodentate means they are having a same side of denticity, means they will donate one time one donor atom. Okay, so we can say ma6 m, if the all the ligands ma6 means a is a monodentate ligand and they are same with the central metal atom, means central metal atom is attached with the all same ligands. Okay, now m a5b means 5 is same ligand and 1 is different ligand. Now m a4b2 means a same ligands are 4 and 2 are different ligands, and these two are also same. Okay, now m a4bc, 2 are different ligands and 4 are same ligands. Now m a3b3, 3 are different, 3 are same, different. m a3 b2c, 3 are different, 2 are different, 1 is different. m a3 bcd, 3 are different and other 3 are also different. Okay, b is c is d. Now m a2 b2 c2, all are twice a time. Okay, m a2, one is 2 time and one is different 4. Okay, b c d e, all 6 ligands are different, a b c d e f. Okay, now case 2, in case 2 bidentate or monodentate ligand is also with here. Now these bidentate ligands are symmetrical ends, these bidentate ligands we can say symmetrical ends. Okay, this is we denote by aa. So m is a 3 ligands, m a whole twice a2, monodentate ligands are 2 and that is also same, m a2 whole twice ab, 2 monodentate ligands, they are different. Now m aa a4, 1 bidentate ligand and 4 monodentate ligand, and this 4 monodentate ligand is also same. Now m aa a3b, one is monodentate, one is bidentate ligand and 4 are monodentate ligand, and this 4 monodentate ligand, 3 are same, 1 is different. m aa means 1 is bidentate ligand, 4 are monodentate ligand, and in this 4, 2 are same, 2 are same. Another next one is m aa a2 bc, means one is bidentate ligand with the metal atom and two are different ligands B and C. Okay, now M A A A B C D means one is bidentate ligand and all others we can say like A B C D, they all are different ligands, they all are we can say different ligands. So in this case we can say whenever the bidentate ligands and the symmetrical ends, so these are the such cases of the isomerism. Okay, now understand case number 3. This is also very much important. In this bidentate ligand is unsymmetrical ends. Okay, they are not be a symmetrical end with the monodentate ligands. Okay, now if you are able to see that first case, in this you are able to see that in case number 1 MAB whole thrice means bidentate ligand unsymmetrical end MAB whole twice A2 MAB whole twice AB. A and B are monodentate ligands are now different. Now MAB monodentate ligands are 4. Now MAB 2 3, this is 4, this is 5th, this is 6. In 5th case you are able to see MAB A3B. Now if you are able to see that MAB A2 B2, M 7th one is MAB A2 BC, 8th one case is MAB ABCD, all are different. Now in 9th case all are unsymmetrical ligands bidentate AB CD EF, AB CD EF. This AB CD EF is we can say unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. Okay, now we take it one by one each case. Now case number 1 in which metal atom is attached with all monodentate ligands, so we can say it will show only one type of geometrical isomer. Okay, A B C in this metal atom is attached with all are A. Okay, they will never show different type of isomer. Now in case number 2 M A5B, in A5B they will also show one type of isomer. Why sir? Because in this there is a no change, we can say that. Now in MA4B2 they will show two types of geometrical isomer in which you are able to see that A and A, sorry, B and B is this B and this B on trans, or we can say B and B, this B and this B on cis position. This is 90, this is 180, and you are able to see that this green dot line, this green dot line, this is a POS line, this is a plane of symmetry. You can cut by the help of this square. When you cut in the square side, one is above side, one is below side, there will show the plane of symmetry. Means by the help of this we can cut into a 2 equal half. So the green dotted line we can show by the POS line. Okay, if we show the green dotted line, that means that is a POS plane, and whenever the POS plane means there is a plane of symmetry, so that compound is not show optical isomer. So in second one there is also be a POS plane, so it will also not show optical isomer. So total isomer of MA4B2 means whenever central metal atom having a 4 same ligand monodentate and 2 same ligand monodentate. So total ligands with the metal atom is 6, but 4 are same and 2 are same. So their total isomer is 2. Their total isomer is 2. Okay, and they will show geometrical isomers by cis and trans. Now you are able to see that when metal atom is having 4 same ligand and 2 different ligand B and C. Okay, so you are able to see that in this we can say B and C are on cis, B and C are trans, and this green dotted line is a POS plane where we cut into a 2 equal half. So we can say in this POS will be there, and in this compound there is a POS plane. In the trans, this is a trans and this is cis. There is a POS plane. In this there is a POS plane. Also this green dotted line is a POS plane. In this you cut it into a 2 equal half. So it will show the two geometrical isomer. Okay, so we can say total stereoisomer is 2. Total stereoisomer is 2. Optical it does not show. Now the next case, Ma3B3 means 3 are the same monodentate ligand and 3 are the different monodentate ligand. Now in this we are going with the numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so you are able to visual with this 1 2 3. This is called as facial. This is called as facial. And 1 2 and 6, whenever 1 2 6 they are having a same ligand, they are called as meridional. Okay, first of all you have to understand facial and meridional. 1 2 3 position is called as cis position. This is called as facial. 1 2 6 1 2 3 is cis, and that is called as facial. 1 2 6 is trans, that is called as meridional. Okay, now Ma3B3. Okay, so we drop 1 2 3, there is a, and in this second compound we drop 1 2 is 6 position a. This is called as meridional, this is called as facial. And both in this green dotted line, this is a plane, cutting plane where we cut into a POS plane sorry, where we cut into a 2 equal half. And in this there is a green plane, dotted line, this is called as POS plane. So we both are is having a POS plane, so it will show two geometrical isomer, optical 0. So whenever optical 0 and geometrical is 2, because whenever optical is 0, whenever the plane of we can say symmetry will be there, whenever plane of symmetry will be there, so we can say optical is not be present. Okay, so we can say directly in this compound optical is not present but geometrical is present. So total stereoisomer is 2. So total isomerism is 2. Now you are able to see that Ma3B2C case, Ma3B2C case, in this we can say total isomerism is 3. We can take it one by one. BB trans, BC trans and BB cis. Okay, now in this we put BB trans. In this you are able to see this is a B and this is a B. BB trans, BC trans and we can say BB cis. So this green dotted line will show the plane of POS plane. So in this we can say there is a POS plane, in this also be a POS plane, in this also be a POS plane. We can cut into a 2 equal half. So we can say they will not show any one of not show optical isomer. So optical is 0 and geometrical is 3. So total stereoisomer are 3. Now in next case Ma3BCD means 3 are same ligand and 3 are all the 3 are different. Okay, so total stereoisomerism is shows by 5. Now we take it one by one. Now in this we can take BC trans, BD trans, CD trans and we can say cis. We can say all cis. Okay, now when we take BC trans, so B and C are opposite. BD trans means B and D are opposite. CD trans means C and D are opposite. And all cis, BB cis. All cis means BB cis. In this you are able to see that AA cis also. Okay, so we can say in this we can say BB cis, AA cis. Okay, now you are able to see that first one will show POS plane, second one is also show POS plane, third one is also show POS plane, but the fourth one is never be show POS plane because in this there is a no cutting plane. A B C D. Okay, sorry, B, in this we can say B D C, they all are having a different. This is BB, sorry, BD cis. Okay, this is B is cis with D, B is cis with C. Okay, so in this there is a no POS plane, so it will show dextro and levo, means they will show optical isomer. In this optical isomer is present, so we can say it will show two isomer. This is a compound and its levo is also show. So we can say total geometrical are 4. 1 2 3 4. Optical are 2. This is dextro and levo will show, but 1 we count in the geometrical. So total we count 5. Why sir 5? 4 are the geometrical and this will show optical. but 1 is we count in the geometrical. So total when we take as a stereoisomer, that is comes out 5, not 6. Okay, now understand. We can take next one, Ma2 B2 C2. Okay, they all are monodentate ligands. AA trans, BB trans, CC trans, total trans. Okay, all trans, and we can say total cis. Now we are able to see that in this you are able to see that A trans we drop it opposite. In this we can say BB trans, but all are not opposite. BB is cis, in this A is cis. Okay, in this you are able to see that BB is trans. In this third one is CC trans. In fourth one, in total trans you are able to see that C trans, A trans, B trans. Okay, so now in total cis, A cis, C cis, B cis. Okay, so now you are able to see that this green dotted line in first four, so they will show the POS plane. We can cut into a 2 equal half. Okay, but in the last one we cannot cut into a 2 equal half, so it will show dextro and levo. So total geometrical 5, optical 2, so total stereoisomer we can say 6, because one optical is count in the geometrical. Dextro and levo will show, so total stereoisomer is 6. I hope guys this is very clear to you. Now next one, in this case you are able to see that Ma2 BC DE. Okay, Ma2 BC DE. Now in this you are able to see that the trick, this is a trick for M when two are same and all four are different. Okay, so one time we can take AA is a cis position, one time we take it as AA as a trans position. Okay, now we are able to see that when we take AA as a cis, so we can say BB trans, BC trans, BD trans. Okay, BC trans, BD trans, BE trans. After this CD trans, CE trans, then DE trans. Okay, now in this when we take AA trans, so we can take BC trans in trans position. Okay, BD trans, BE trans, CD trans, CE trans, DE trans. Now we take one by one in all these compounds, so you are very clear with this. Now in this when we take AA as a cis, this A is cis, A is cis, A is cis, A is cis. Okay, so now you are very clear with this. BC trans, you are able to see that one by one. BC trans, BD trans, BE trans, CD trans, CE trans, DE trans. Because C we not take CB trans, because BC and CB we take once, so we don't take it. Okay, now in the second one when A are opposite, now you are able to see that this A and this A are opposite, so now we take it in this compound BC trans. So when I take BC trans, so in this BC's, so DE trans is also take it automatically. So in the above compound when I take BC and so DE we not take it, so they will both are 1, they both are 1. Okay, so you are able to see that when A is a trans, when A is a trans will show, so it will only form 3 geometrical, it will only form 3 geometrical. Okay, one is BD trans, one is BC, BD, BE, because in BE there is a CD is also calculated, in BD CE is also calculated. Okay, so in this all are show POS plane, because we can cut in the square plane. This is a dotted line is a square planar. Okay, we can cut is a, there is a POS plane because A is opposite, so when we cut into a equal half, so above and the bottom one is same, so we can cut into a 2 equal half. But in the above one, this 6, they will not show we can say they will not show the plane of symmetry, so they will show optical. Okay, so we can say this all 6 will show optical, but these 3 are not optical. So total optical are 12 and total geometrical are 9. Okay, so this 9 in this 6 geometrical we counted once, so the total stereoisomer is count is 12 plus 3, total is 15. I hope guys this is very clear to you, and this is very important. Okay, for NEET for JEE point of view, that's very important. Okay, now when all are all monodentate ligands are different A B C D E F. Okay, so now you are very clear with this one. Okay, we take it one by one. That similar trick above one: AB trans, AE trans, AD trans, AE trans, AF trans, BC trans, BD trans. Okay, like this. So you are able to understand BE trans, BF trans, CD, CE, CF, DE, DF, EF. So total geometrical they will show 15, and optical they, because there is a no plane of symmetry. Okay, all are different. So optical is 30. So total isomerism is 30. Guys, I hope this is very clear to you. I am trying to clear my best in the front of you. Okay, guys. Now understand, guys. Case number 2. In case number 2, you are able to see that in this we take it as a symmetrical bidentate ligands. Okay, in this A, okay, there is a all bidentate ligands MAA whole thrice. So you are able to see that this will show dextro and levo, because there is a one, only one compound will be there. This is a only one compound will be there. There is a no plane of symmetry. So we make a dextro and levo. This is a dextro, this is levo, because they will show mirror images. Okay, so this will only show one geometrical sorry, one geometrical isomer, but the optical will show, because there is a no POS. So total stereoisomerism is 2. Now the second case we can say MAA whole 2 A2. Okay, means bidentate ligand is 2 and 2 are monodentate ligand, that is also same. So we can say that directly. In this case MAA, this A, okay, is cis position, this A is trans position. Okay, so we can say this is a cis, this is a trans. Okay, I hope this is very clear to you. In case number 3, you are able to see that MAA whole 2. Now this A and B, they are opposite monodentate ligand. They are different, sorry, not opposite, they are different monodentate ligand. Now this, in this case you are taking AB is cis and AB is trans. So now you are able to see that in first one there is a no POS plane, so it will show optical. Okay, there is a optical will be there, but in this case second one you are able to see that this will not show. Third one case you are able to see that this will show the POS plane, so it will not show optical. This green dotted line we can cut into a 2 equal half. Okay, this green dotted line, sorry, they not on this green dotted line, because we can cut on the, not on the green dotted line. Wait a minute guys, this is AA, this is AA. Okay, now we can cut into a this plane. If you are able to see that I am make this as a black line, we can cut into a this line, so that we have a POS plane. We can cut into a 2 equal half, so we can say this will show 2 geometrical, and optical will show, this will show optical, the first one show optical also. So total stereoisomer is 1 is this and 2 from this, total is 3. Okay, so total is we can say stereoisomer is 3. Now the next case we can say MAA A whole 4. Okay, means all A are all monodentate ligands are same, that is 4, and one is bidentate ligand, that is symmetrical ends. So it will show one geometrical isomer, no optical, so stereoisomer is 1. I hope this is very clear to you. Now in this next case you are able to see that MAA A3B means 3 monodentate ligands are same, one is different, and one is bidentate ligand. So they will show cis and trans. We can say AA is, we can say in this AB is cis, and this AB they are trans. So we can say they are having a POS plane, and this is a POS. This black line is also be a POS plane, and in this is a green dotted line is a POS plane. So both are having a POS plane also. So they will show only two geometrical isomers. So total stereoisomer is 2. No optical. Optical is not. We can say optical is absent. Now in the next case, you are able to see that MAA A2 B2. Okay. In this case, you are able to see that they will show, okay, 3 geometrical isomer. Okay. Now AA we can say trans, AB trans, BB trans. So when we take AA trans, this A and this A is a trans. Okay. So you can say directly there is a POS plane. This green dotted line is a POS plane. Okay. There is a not 3 geometrical isomer. Please correct this. Okay. Please correct this. We can say 3 geometrical. Once wait a minute. Okay. We take it. This 3 geometrical will take it. Now understand, there is a AB trans. This A and B trans, there is a no POS plane, so it will show optical also. This will show optical also, dextro and levo. Now in the last one, you are able to see BB trans. This is a B, this is a B. They are opposite, and this is a plane of symmetry. We can cut into a 2 equal half, so it will show POS plane. Whenever the POS will be there, optical isomer is absent. Optical isomer is absent. So we can say geometrical is 3, optical is 2. Total are 3 and 1, 4. Okay. This will show 2, this will show 1, this will show 1. Total are stereoisomer are 4. I hope guys this is very clear to you. Now guys, 7th. Okay. This is also very important. MAA F2BC. A2BC. In this case, you are able to see that we can take it AA trans, AB trans, AC trans, BC trans. So total geometrical are we can say 4, and total optical are 4. So how, sir? First one sorry, in the first one case, AA trans, so this green dotted line is a POS plane, so it will show the POS plane. In the second one, AB is trans. This A and B is a trans. So they will not show the POS plane. So they will show optical isomer also. Okay. So we can say next one case is AC trans. In AC trans, there is a no POS plane also. So they will also show optical isomer. In second one, you are able to see that. Okay. There is a, we can say B and C trans. Okay. B and C trans. So this will also not, this will having a, when B and C trans, this will having a slanted cut. Okay, not be a horizontal cut. Okay, so we can say this one is having a POS plane, so it will not show optical isomer. So we can say MAA A4BC will show optical isomer is 4, geometrical are 4, but stereo isomer are 6. Total stereo isomer are 6 because 2 optical isomer we count in the geometrical also. So we can say total stereo isomer are 6. Now next one case, in this you are able to see that MAA means 1 bidentate ligand and 4 monodentate ligand. Okay, and 4 are all 4 are different. So in this case we can say MAA AB trans, AC trans, AD trans, BC trans, BD trans, CD trans. Okay, so now you are able to see that in this case, first one case AB trans, this A and B trans, AC trans, AD trans, BC trans, BD trans, CD trans. Okay, so all will show optical isomer because there is a no POS plane. So we can say 6, there is a 6 geometrical isomer. So optical are 12, total isomer are 12. I hope guys this is very clear to you. Now we are going with the next one. Okay, third case, and this is a very important case also. In this case, we are taking a unsymmetrical bidentate ligand also. Unsymmetrical bidentate ligand also with a monodentate ligand also. Okay, so this case is a very important, and now please guys, this is a very important topic. Okay, and I really coordination isomer is a actually the very important topic for a IIT also, and we can say NEET also. And if you see the previous year examinations question in everywhere, you will see the isomerism one question definitely. Okay. Now MAB whole thrice, we can say whole thrice. Okay. In this we can say three bidentate unsymmetrical end ligand. So you are able to see that in this you are able to see that MAB AB AB. Okay. So they will show the, we can say, dextro and levo. They will show the dextro and levo. In this case, sir, this A and B is opposite, A and B opposite, but you are able to see this A and B is same position, but this A and B, the black one I am writing, this A and B. Okay, but in the second one this is a and this is A, so I will change the position of A B. Okay, so this is different, this is different, they are not same, so I will write two geometrical isomer, and they will not show POS plane, so they will show four optical isomer. So total stereomer I 4. I hope guys this is very clear to you. Now next one, MAB2A2 means two bidentate ligand unsymmetrical and we can say two monodentate ligands. So in this we can say AA trans, BB trans, AA trans. Okay, and total trans and total cis. When AA trans means this capital A is a trans, this B and this B is a trans, this A and this A is a trans. In this case you are able to see that all trans, AA trans, AA trans, BB trans, all cis, A is cis with A. Okay, we can say B is cis with B, this B is cis with B, this A is cis with A. So now you are able to see that the first one and second one, AA trans and AB trans, they will not show POS plane, and the last one is also not show POS plane, but second one is having a POS plane, and third one is also, fourth one is sorry, third one and fourth one is having a POS plane. So we can say they will not show, they will show optical isomer. First one show optical, so they are two. Second one show optical, so they are two. Third one is a POS plane, so they are, we count one. Fourth one is also be a POS, so we can count one, and the fifth one is not be a POS, so we can count two. So total is stereoisomer is 8. Guys, I hope that's very clear to you. Okay. Now the third one case is MAB whole twice. Now this AB is a monodentate ligand, they are different also. Okay, so we can say AB, AA trans, BB trans, AB trans, total cis. Now this is a very important case. In this the geometrical isomer are 6. Okay, now in this you are able to see that A trans, this A trans, BB trans, AB trans. Okay, total trans, AB trans, AA trans, BB trans, total cis, AB cis, AA cis, BB cis. Okay, now in this position you are able to see that, now understand my point what I am saying, this A B cis. Okay, so this A is opposite with B, this B is opposite with this A. Now this B is opposite with B, and this A is opposite with A, so they are different. So total geometrical isomer are 6. Okay, now understand my point. Only this one, only third one, this one show POS. Okay, other are not show POS. This is not having a POS, this is not having a POS, this is not having a POS, this is also not having a POS. Okay, so the total optical are 10, so stereoisomer are total 11. Guys, I hope that's very clear to you. Now next one we are going with MAB. This is not AA, this is AB. Okay, AB A3B means three are monodendritic ligand that are same and one is different and one is bidendritic unsymmetrical end ligands. Okay. Now in this guys I hope this is you enjoying. Okay. This is a very interesting topic, but you make once yourself also. When you practice yourself also, that's very clear to you. Okay. Now understand my point. Okay. This is nothing but this is abracadabra. Okay. This is a this is nothing really, that's abracadabra. Okay, that topic is abracadabra. That's when you make yourself, that's really very clear to you. Okay, so that's why I will say abracadabra. Okay, now you are able to see that AA and AB, AA and AB. In this, A is trans and AB is trans. Now AA is trans and AB is trans. Okay, but in this case, first case, this is case number one, I will say. Okay, this one case, you are able to see that this B is opposite with B, this A is opposite with A. So I will make its two condition. You are able to see that I will make its two condition. Sir, how? This A is opposite with A. Now this A is opposite with B also. Okay, this is a POS plane. This is also be a POS plane. So total geometrical are 3. Okay, and we can say optical are 2 because this is not having a POS plane. So it will show the optical. So total stereoisomer are 4. I hope guys this is very clear to you. Sir, in second one there is a no, this is not type because in this second one you are able to see that this is A and B opposite. So A is, we can say, same. So A is, when we interchange this position, they are also same. So it will only show one type. Okay, so we can say total geometrical are 3 but optical are 2, or total stereoisomer are 4. Now guys you are able to see that MAB A2 B2. Okay, in this case you are able to see that MAB A2 B2. Okay, now this case is also important. In this case bidendritic ligand is 1 unsymmetrical end and 2 is monodendritic ligand same, 2 is different monodendritic ligand, that is also same. So AA trans, AB trans, BB trans. Okay, now this AA trans, this is the AB trans, so this is the A and B. So we interchange the position. B is in the front of B, B is in the front of, we can say, A, AB. Right now you are able to see that A and B are trans. Okay, so now we interchange the position, so it will two compounds, two geometrical isomer. Okay, so they are not having a POS. Now in this case BB trans, this B and this B trans, it will show the POS. So two geometrical will not show POS, and first one is also show POS. This is having a POS plane. Okay, and in this case this is also having a POS plane, red one line. So total geometrical 4, total optical are 4. Okay, because there is a two geometrical will not show POS plane, so there will optical also show. So total optical 4, but optical is also counted in the geometrical. So total stereo are 6. So total stereo are 6. Now next one case MAB A2BC, MAB A2BC. In this case you are able to see that AA trans, AB trans, AC trans, BC trans. Okay, AA trans, AB trans, AC trans, BC trans. Okay, now each case first this is I am writing. Okay, please understand. Wait a minute. This we can say this one, third one, they will show two types of geometrical, because in this B is opposite with B and C is opposite with A. So we interchange the position. In this case we interchange this position. In this case we interchange this position. I hope guys this is very clear to you. In this case you interchange this position. In this case you interchange this position also. In this case you interchange this position also. So they will show two geometrical isomer. but in the last case you are not able to change the position of A because they are same. This is A, this is A, so they are same. So we can say first one is having a POS, this is A trans, so we can say this is the POS plane. Okay, but in the second case we can say, third case, fourth case, these are no POS, so optical will show, optical will show, optical will show, and this is having a 2, this is having a 2, so we can say total geometrical are 7 because this will 2, this is 2, this is 2. After the reverse of B and C, A and C, and A and B, so total geometrical 7, but optical are 10. Okay, optical are 10. So stereoisomer are, we can say, how many? 7, and we can say in this we can say 7 and 10. Okay, so out of the 10 we can take it 5, so total stereoisomer are 12. I hope guys this is very clear to you. You make it once yourself. Okay, and if you have a doubt you will message me directly. Okay, now the next one you are able to see that this is also important. M A B A C A B C D, all monodentate ligands are different. So in this case you are able to see that AB trans, AC trans, AD trans, BC trans, BD trans, CD trans. Now you are able to see that each case you make two geometrical isomer. Why sir? This is C opposite with B, so one time C is opposite with A also, one time B is opposite with B, one time B is opposite with A also, C is opposite with B, so one time C is also opposite with A also, A is opposite with B, so one time A is also opposite with A also, A is opposite with B, so one time A is also opposite with A also. In this case A is opposite with B, so we can say B is also, A is also opposite with A, so we can interchange this and they will never show, we can say, POS. So total are 12 geometrical. Okay, and optical are 24, so total stereoisomer 24. So guys I hope this is very clear to you. In this case I hope there is no doubt to you. Now the next and last important case. Okay, this is the major important case also. Okay, now in this I will take a three different types of, we can say, bidentate ligands. Okay, unsymmetrical ends again. Now in this we can take AB, CD, EF. Okay, now this is the CD position. Now we interchange only the, all the positions are same but CD position are different. We take it. This is C is opposite with F. Now in this C is opposite with B, so we interchange the only the position of C and D. Now in the second case, now in this first case we interchange the position of E and F, so you are able to see that this is E, this is F. Okay, you are able to see that. Is this clear or not clear? Now in the second one case we also interchange the E and F position, so we interchange the position of E and F. So now in this A and B, okay, now you are able to see that in the next one case what we are doing. Now in second case you are able to see that in this case A and B will be there, A and B will be there, A and B will be there. Okay, now in this case we interchange the position. Now we interchange the position of A and B. Okay, now this is the A and B, so we interchange the position of B and A. This is the interchange. We interchange the position of A and B. We interchange the position of A and B. We interchange the position of A and B. So this is B, this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B, this is A. So guys you are able to see that. So you are able to see that total all are different. So total geometrical are, we can say, 8, and no one show any POS. So they are optical is also show. So total optical are 16. So total stereoisomer are 16. I hope guys this is very clear to you. Okay, so guys if you like it, देन सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड शेयर इट, एंड शेयर करना ना भूलें. ओके.